Namaskar, dear friends, learners, well-wishers, subscribers, teachers, students, guardians, classmates, and my fans. Today, I am with next video. So, dear friends, there is a matter of language and grammar. Do you know what is the importance of grammar for the language? है ना? There is a great relationship between grammar and language, and it is the grammar that decorates and strengthens the language. Without grammar, language is not beautiful. So the grammar makes the language beautiful and decorates it beautifully, है ना? So we should follow the rules of grammar in speaking, in writing, and every creativity of the learning, है ना? Understanding, teaching, and everywhere there is the need of grammar, है ना? Language is beautiful in the boundary of grammar, है ना? If the language is not in the boundary of grammar, it is not beautiful. It is full of mistakes. So grammar corrects the defects of the language. Grammar has the power correcting the defects of the language. So we should follow the rules of grammar in every work of speaking, writing, singing, pronunciating, and everything, है ना? We can express our emotions but following the path of the grammar. We can write our emotions but following the rules of the grammar. So grammar is must, grammar is compulsory, grammar is necessary, grammar is mandatory for everywhere. But in the field of speaking, है ना, language is a little free, है ना? We use the language by accepting the flexivity, the flexity of the language. We use the language with the help of flexibility, and we sometimes forget the rules of the grammar, because a spoken form of language is a bit different from the written form of the language. Written form is totally a different thing of the language, but a spoken form of the language is different from the written form. So we are learning how to speak English fluently, correctly, and beautifully. So we should sometimes pay attention on the flexibility of the language and the grammar rules. So today I am with a very beautiful pattern, and the pattern is, है ना, the pattern is, today's pattern, a spoken English pattern 41, है ना? And what is the structure, what is the pattern, what is the rule? So at first we have to speak ever plus verb 1 plus object. At first we have to speak ever, then verb 1, and after that the object. Ever come to us. Ever write a letter. Ever sing ए सॉन्ग. व्हाट इज इट्स हिंदी मीनिंग? द हिंदी मीनिंग, कभी हमारे पास आइए, हमारे पास आइए. कभी एक पत्र लिखिए, कभी एक पत्र लिखिए, कभी एक पत्र लिखिए. कभी एक गीत गाइए, कभी एक गीत गाइए. कभी नाचिए, ever dance, sometimes dance. Dance. कभी रोइए, ever beep, sometimes beeps, beep. कभी गंगा स्नान कीजिए, कभी गंगा स्नान कीजिए. एवर टेक बाथ इन द गंगा. Sometimes take bath in the Ganges. So dear friends, what is the pattern? The pattern is ever verb one object. Ever come to us, कभी हमारे पास आइए. Ever write a letter, कभी एक पत्र लिखिए. Ever sing a song, कभी एक गीत गाइए. कभी नाचिए. Ever dance, sometimes dance. Ever dance, sometimes dance. कभी रोइए. Ever weep, ever weep, sometimes weeps, sometimes weep. कभी गंगा स्नान कीजिए. Ever bath in the Ganga. Ever take bath in the Ganges. Sometimes take bath in the Ganga. This is the pattern. कभी मुझे अपने घर पर आमंत्रित कीजिए. Ever invite me to your house. कभी मुझे अपने घर पर आमंत्रित कीजिए. Ever invite me to your house. कभी मुझे फोन कीजिए. Ever call me. Ever phone me. Ever ring to me, ring up to me. कभी मेरे साथ अंग्रेजी में बातचीत करें. Ever talk in English with me. Ever talk in English with me. कभी कुमार सानू को सुने. Ever listen to कुमार सानू. Sometimes listen to कुमार सानू. कभी इसके बारे में सोचिए. Ever think about it. Ever think about it. Sometimes think about it. कभी एक लेख लिखें. Ever write an essay. कभी एक खेल खेलें. Ever play a game. Sometimes play a game. कभी कोट पैंट पहनिए. Ever wear a coat and pant. Sometimes wear a coat and pant. कभी चश्मा पहनिए. Ever wear a spectacles. Sometimes put on spectacles. Wear spectacles. कभी मेरा वीडियो देखें. Ever watch my video. Sometimes watch my video. कभी मेरे यहाँ पधारिए. Ever come to me. Sometimes come to me. What is the pattern? The pattern is at first you have to speak or write ever or sometimes, then verb one, and in the last object. है ना, dear friends? Really, the standard form of speaking English is very beautiful, and language is really beautiful in the written form. but we have to speak English and use the flexibility of English language, and flexibility is possible in the spoken form, not in the written form, but mostly English is used in a spoken form. Secondly, it is used in the written form and a published form, but any language is mostly used in the spoken form. So a spoken is a very good thing. Without a spoken power, without a speaking power, you can't do anything better in your life. Every person has the ability to speak. Every individual has the ability to speak or express. So we can express our emotions, but following the rules of grammar and following the easiness of spoken English. So nowadays English is very easy. It is spoken all over the world, and its spoken form is very easy. So come in the world of speaking English and start speaking English from today, not tomorrow, not from tomorrow, from today. And I believe you can achieve fluency and speaking English within a month, within 2 or 3 months. If you try your hard, if you try your best, then you can achieve fluency, you can achieve ability of speaking English within 2 or 3 months. It's my belief, and it should be your belief. So speak this pattern, all the examples of this pattern, practice and come in the field of speaking. Use English language in your office, in your house, at your house, in your business, with your friends, with your relatives, with your wards, with your sons, with your daughters, and with everywhere. So आज का वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा प्लीज़ मुझे बताएं, है ना। मैं चाहता हूं कि सहजता से आपको अंग्रेजी का हाथ थमाया जाए, है ना। मित्रों, मैंने ग्रामर को ताक पे नहीं रखा है, लेकिन भाषा की जो सहजता है वो देने का मैं पूरा कोशिश कर रहा हूं, और आप बने रहें मेरे साथ, और मैं आपके लिए कितना उपयोगी साबित होऊंगा ये आप मुझे बताते रहें। मेरी तमन्ना है कि मैं आपके लिए बहुत ही यूजफुल साबित हूँ, मेरा काम आपको मददगार साबित हो, मेरा वीडियो आपके लिए फ़ायदे का चीज़ हो, है ना। कोई वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम नहीं हो, कोई समय की बर्बादी नहीं हो। तो चलिए मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए इसी आशा और विश्वास के साथ कि आप हमेशा हमारे साथ बने रहेंगे। मैं आपसे लेता हूँ विदा और करता हूँ आपको नमस्कार, धन्यवाद, थैंक यू।